Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to place a offer on your Bing local listing. Now, this is going to show up when somebody is searching for the product or service you offer or your brand name when they're utilizing Bing. So you're going to log in first by going to bingplaces.com. If you haven't verified and put in your business information, you're certainly going to want to make sure that that is all in place. And if you already have a Google My Business profile, you can actually sync all of the information from Google My Business over to Bing in minutes. So it's a simple process just to get started in having a listing for your business on Bing, as well as getting the listing verified. And you can do that all by visiting bingplaces.com. Now, once you're in here, Bing has added ways that you can promote your Bing listing. And one of those that's new is a COVID-related announcement. And the one that we're going to talk and walk through today is the actual deal or discount on Bing. So I'm using Guardian Owl, and this is just a kind of test deal or discount here. But you're going to click on that, and you can see the title of the deal or discount. You're going to drop down and you can say, hey, I'm giving away something free, which we're going to do, or you can provide a discount. So for the sake of showing, I'm just going to put discount, and you can see it says how much is the discount. So you can actually drop this down and you can say up to, you can just put a flat amount of, $5,000 off, up to $5,000, up to 20%. So you can adjust how this discount is formatted. I'm going to use the free because we're going to give away a complimentary product or service. You can see automatically Bing feeds in options. So buy 3, get 2 free, buy 2, get third for pizza, 2-hour free trial, free product or service. This is what I'm going to do, a free essentially audit or inspection, or free shipping. It's worth $500, and it usually will populate right here. So you can see exactly how it looks. You can click next, and then you can even say on first purchase, only for new customers, on minimum of X amount. So this is, again, a really fabulous tool because it gives so many descriptions and ability for you to customize what the offer is. I'm going to put it until July 31st. They can get it online, and I am going to go to, and let me just figure out exactly what that URL is. I always go to the website and just make sure I copy it over right. Free SEO audit. And sometimes creating that urgency, even if you have it on your website for, let me find my listing. There we go. Even if you have it on your website for something different, it creates opportunity. You can always change it, and all you're going to do is hit save, and the offer is going to be showing up now on your local Bing listing. So Bing is becoming more and more of a search engine that people are using because it's coming as a default search engine on certain devices. And so if you haven't paid attention, this is certainly something you're going to want to here in the future, and feel very confident in taking advantage of these deals and discounts because it's seamless, easy, and low-hanging fruit SEO opportunity. This was your 5-minute how-to video, and we hope that it was valuable.